Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to create group chats on Messenger. So let's start. First, open your Messenger app. Now to start a group chat, tap on the pencil icon on top right corner. Now tap on Create a new group. Now select the participants you want to add to your group. I'll just randomly select a few people. And tap Next on top right corner. Now you have to give a name to your group. I'll just name it My Group. Now tap Create on top right corner. And your group is created. And if you want to add more people, tap on Add People. And select the person you want to add. And tap Add on top right corner. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.